welcome to another Machine Monday. So I'm standing holding a chain and hoist, and basically we use this chain and hoist to do a tool change. If we wanted to run a new product on this production line, we'd basically do a number of tool changes, and we use this hoist and chain to actually do the tool change. One of the challenges that one of our customers has faced recently was they did not, after doing the tool change, actually place the hoist back in the right position. And I want to show you how we've actually solved that problem for this particular customer. So basically, once I'm done with the tool change, I can move the hoist to a safe position. I can then basically engage the hoist in this eye and basically make sure that the hoist is engaged, and I have a sensor inside here to validate that the hoist is actually engaged, and only when that sensor is made do we actually allow the line to go into auto mode. I've seen on far too many occasions where the hoist is in the wrong place, a simple thing like that, there's a catastrophic crash and causes significant downtime. Here's another Machine Monday.